How to install Filto on iPhone? Want to install Filto app on iPhone? Let's do it quickly. Locate the Filto app icon on your home screen. Tap and hold the icon until a menu pops up. Tap Remove App. If you tap Remove from home screen, it will only remove your app from your home screen. If you tap Delete App, it will delete the app. It will delete permanently. Confirm if asked, and Filto will remove from your iPhone. If you plan to reinstall, make sure your projects are saved or synced with your account, and that's it. Filto is now installed safely from your iPhone. If you love this tutorial, hit like, subscribe for more tech tips. Catch you in the next one.